George?
No, it's Greg.
Game.
Greg.
Game. 1, 2, 3.
Ay.
Name of a guy,
Patingin.
girl,
Patingin.
name of a place,
Yes.
name of a location,
Yes.
location in a house,
No.
location as in the Philippines.
Yes.
It has anything to do with the book, the story. Pepper Roses, Somewhere in My Heart, no. Has to do with me, has to do with you, where you're from. So it's not the province, hindi Cavite. Cavite?
Pwede, hindi.
Hindi, mall.
Nasa ball game.
From where you're from.
Pwede.
From where you used to be.
Yes.
Location.
Yes.